Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to SlapFIGHT Championship UK! We are live from Liverpool in the United Kingdom at our debut SlapFIGHT UK event. And are you guys ready to meet our pioneering contestants? Introducing first, let's give a round of applause for our first fighter. Weighing in at 228 pounds, fighting out of the Midlands, Honda! And his opponent! Weighing in at 222 pounds, from Thetford, Norfolk, Anvil! Honda, which I'm starting with the right, and Anvil with the right also. Ladies and gentlemen, your referee for this contest, John Parker.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the main event of SlapFIGHT UK. Let's get right to it.
Everyone ready?
All right, folks, let's take a look at the rules of slap fight. First off, no clubbing. All competitors must land their strikes with an open hand. The heel of the hand may make contact but cannot extend past the chin. Next, no stepping. Feet must be planted shoulder width apart, and there can be no pivoting or stepping when striking. And finally, no flinching. Small reactions are allowed, but any movement that affects the power of the strike is a foul. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are back at the barrel with the coin toss. Oh, can we run that back? Okay, take a look at this coin toss. Referee John Parker with a big toss. A little bit of a whoop-whoop there, but he nails the catch, flips over the coin for the big reveal. Dynamite coin toss by referee John Parker. Okay, the Anvil has won the toss. Looks like he will strike first. And we are going to get this match underway.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, decent slap from the Anvil. And now Honda has 60 seconds to regain his composure. And it looks like he's going to go ahead and forego that break. And here's your windup.
1, 2, 3.
Oh! Fantastic strike by Honda. Wow. Honda's been waiting about 5 years to make his debut, so he's been ready to fight. And as you can see, he's been preparing. I would definitely say he got the better of that exchange. But we're early in the match still. Here's
1, 2, 3.
Okay, much better this time. We're going to get somebody in here to fix these round cards real quick.
Can you stop a sec?
Okay, and now we've arrived at the bottom of round 2. Okay, so now Honda is going to check his placement here. And here's our windup.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, not bad. Honda is going to have to watch his rotation, however. He's rotating just a little bit much. Any more rotation on that one and he might have committed a stepping violation. But so far, so good. Here we are at the top of round 3. And here's the Anvil with his windup.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, another good slap from the Anvil. He's not getting a lot of rotation, I'm noticing. He's going to have to adapt his technique if he wants to win this match. So far, I'm impressed. It's a very good matchup. We're moving into the halfway point here. The bottom of round 3.
Take your time, bro. Line him up.
Honda returning fire.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, and there he goes. we're going to have a stepping violation on E. Honda. Of course, this is just going to be a warning, but that is a warning for stepping. And if E. Honda commits that violation again during this matchup, he will lose a turn. Oh, goodness. Okay. I can't say I've ever seen a competitor belch in the middle of a competition like that, but maybe that's just part of his wind-up.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, no. Okay, we're going to have a warning now on the Anvil for stepping. It wasn't a big step, just a little bit of a pivot with his foot, but you're not allowed to pivot or step when striking. So that's going to be a warning for Anvil. And again, if Anvil was to step during this matchup again, he would lose a turn. So if you're keeping score, there's a warning for each one of these competitors. And so far, the slaps have been pretty even. I might give the edge to E. Honda.
Line him up. Come on. Line him up, E. Honda. Ready? Come on, mate. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, fantastic slap from E. Honda. Holy smokes. E. Honda is definitely loosening up here. He's finding his power. The Anvil is definitely feeling these slaps. All right, these guys are having a good time, but you're starting to see some swelling on the Anvil's face. Okay, it's time to get serious here. We're at the top of round 5. Good slap. Nothing for the highlight reel, but that's a solid slap. At this point, both of these competitors are trying to find balance between their accuracy and their power. You know, we can't afford any violations here from either one of these competitors. And, you know, being it's the first fight for each of them, you can kind of see their styles evolving during the matchup here. All right, E. Honda with the bottom of round 5.
E. Honda, do your thing.
Come on.
Line him up. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, no. We are going to have a penalty now against E. Honda for stepping. That's unfortunate. He is actually now going to lose his 6th round turn. So that's definitely going to affect him on the judges' scorecards. E. Honda will not get to slap in round 6. That means Anvil will now have 2 slaps in a row. This will give him an opportunity to jump ahead. This is a nice advantage for Anvil. But of course, he's going to have to avoid stepping himself as well.
1, 2.
Oh, nice. Well, you can really see the swelling on the face of the Anvil here. And now E. Honda has 60 seconds to recover. Okay, he doesn't need 60 seconds. Here we go. This is round 7. Oh, nice. The Anvil with another nice slap.
Final round, boys.
All right, friends, this is going to bring us to the final slap of the match. E. Honda will have 1 final slap. And this is a pretty close matchup here. With some power, he might be able to bring home the win. But losing a turn is definitely going to affect him. So he really needs to bring it home here.
Come on. Line him up. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, not bad. Fantastic match. We're going to have to go to the judges' scorecards for a decision here.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 7 rounds, we have gone to a judge's decision. And your winner is... Anvil! If you think you have what it takes to be a slap fight contestant, then what are you waiting for? Contact us via Instagram, SlapFIGHT or SlapFIGHT UK. Slide into those DMs, come on down and test yourself. We'll be waiting.
Well, fans, SlapFIGHT UK is in the books. And what an incredible main event we witnessed this evening. Two pioneers of UK slap fighting going toe-to-toe at the barrel for 7 rounds. Honda and the Anvil put on a show tonight. A tremendous display of sportsmanship. Very enjoyable slap fighting. But tonight's MVP was referee John Parker and his epic coin toss to start the match. Take a look at it. Big toss, nails the catch, presents the coin. Sensational.